Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make textured macarons. Beyond the classic smooth shell, adding texture can elevate your creations, making them visually stunning and more engaging. We'll dive into the specific steps and techniques needed to achieve these unique surfaces. From the initial mixing to the final bake, every stage plays a crucial role in developing those beautiful, intricate textures you desire. Get ready to transform your macaron game. The macaronage stage is absolutely vital for creating textured shells. It's all about finding that perfect balance. If you overmix, your batter will become too fluid, resulting in smooth, flat macarons. Conversely, undermixing won't allow the batter to settle properly, hindering foot development. You're looking for a consistency often described as lava-like, where the batter slowly falls off your spatula in a continuous ribbon, allowing for subtle surface variations. Once your batter is perfectly macaronaged, piping techniques become key to introducing texture. While a round tip is standard, experimenting with different nozzle shapes or even varying your piping angle can create unique patterns. After piping, gently tapping your baking sheet a few times helps release larger air bubbles, but don't overdo it if you want to preserve some surface character. Try swirling or dragging your piping bag slightly for an artistic, textured finish. The final steps of drying and baking are critical for setting your textured macarons. Allow your piped shells to dry until a slight skin forms. This prevents cracking and encourages the signature foot to develop. When baking, maintain a consistent oven temperature, typically around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 12 to 14 minutes, carefully monitoring them. This precise timing ensures your textured shells achieve their beautiful rise and desired crispness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.